My name is Dadu, and this is the News Chronicles. So, for decades, ASU have been the center of battles. ASU being the Academic Staff Union of Universities, were center battling with the federal government, right from the days of the military era to the present-day democratic era. The ASU have been battling for improved public universities in Nigeria, better pay, autonomy of the universities, among other issues. In 1988, the union was banned, so also in the year 1992. But after vigorous negotiations, the union came back in 1999. And since then, we have had series of strikes. We had in 2001, 2003, 2009, 13, 2020, and the 8-month-long strike of the year 2022, which was the longest of the union. All in a bid for the government to fulfill its agreement of the year 2009 of revitalizing universities and improving staff welfare. Recently, there have been another tension. Just a few months ago, the tension started growing a few months ago, and in August 2025, some chapters of the union have staged protests over unpaid salaries, withheld allowances, and the need for better funding, which stirs a lot of concerns for Nigerians, not just Nigerians, the federal government also, where the Minister of Education had to comment. So in all of this, we have to look at the way forward, and the way forward in this case is for all parties now being the ASU and the federal government, to deal with these issues with sincerity and transparency, and also to know that these issues affect not just them but the ordinary Nigerian who cannot afford the private universities within the country or abroad. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe on our platforms on YouTube and other channels. My name is once again, and have a good day.